Here is the best way to make and edit images on ChatGPT for beginners. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can do that. First up, just simply head over to your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this video, but here I am. And here, as you can see, I've already opened it. But what you can do right now is just simply head over to ChatGPT like that and search it up. Just open up ChatGPT and here you go. And you have to log in as well. Once you've logged in, it will show you this. But instead of doing or performing anything over here, you have to press on Sora. So Sora is basically an feature of ChatGPT which produces pictures. But here we already are on Sora and we have a picture. And here, as you can see, I asked for a picture and it showed me and it generated the picture for me. But you can describe any type of image or picture you'd like to, or you can even do the video. But here we are for images. So let's say we want to do another, and this time, and just like that. And I've previously done more pictures as well, just like this, a realistic photo and Superman. And you can pretty much just, generate any type of photo you like to choose. And also you can edit the photo as well, just simply to use the same prompt. And here, as you can see, just copy the same prompt and just like that, and just type in redo in front of it and do this and add more details into it to make it more realistic, like just give it more example, like shot with better angle. And you can pretty much do the additions which makes them a edit, and you can do that. And here, as you can see, I just generated this picture and it's looking very nice. So yeah, this is it. I hope this helped you out. I'll see you soon.